We're at Disney Springs hunting for the most unique Disney Christmas gifts, and wait till you see what we found at Crystal Arts. It's sparkly, it's festive, and it's something special you've probably never seen before. Okay, I know that there's been a lot of talk about those make-your-own Christmas trees. Well, over here at Crystal Arts down at Disney Springs, they have those make-your-own holiday trees as well. Same price, but you don't have to do it in the parks. You can do them down here in Disney Springs, so take a look. So, you get the glass tree, and then you get to pick the ornaments that you want on it. And the ornaments have all different types of Disney characters on them. There's Pluto, and then here's the Cheshire Cat, there's Olaf, and it comes in this, they're all the same. There's Maleficent, even if you wanted to do like a villains one. So you get the tree in this little box, and then you get to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 different ornaments. But this is what the tree looks like. Can you take the tree out for me, Megan? Okay, so you get this box, and inside the box there's this glass tree, and then all you have to do is pick 12 ornaments to go on the tree. So you just go around this little circular thing, picking out your ornaments. Some of them just, oh, here's Mickey, here's Sorcerer Mickey. But they're really cute. I think these are great little gifts for somebody. The price on this is $69, so it's gone up a little bit. But it's a great idea for gifts for someone. These are not glass. Megan was just clacking them together. But you can see how cool they would be for a gift for the holidays. Right, Megan? Yes. Okay, Megan found over here you can actually get a black glass tree. So if you wanted to do something with all of the villains and have a black tree with all the villains on them, you can do that too. And over here they've got all of the villains kind of sectioned out, and look, everybody, I'm so excited. They have Chernabog. Maleficent as a dragon. Oh, can I just have this Chernabog one? I just want that.
I wonder how much they are just for the ornaments, because sometimes I just want an ornament.
So wait, if you're looking, so here's Ka. Why don't you show us, Megan, who's actually over here for this villains tree? So this is Pete. This is the Queen of Hearts. This is Iago. Scar. Oh, Hades. Captain Hook.
I don't know why this one's a villain.
Yeah, I don't know why the Cheshire Cat's the villain. Wait, who is this? Oh, Flotsam and Jetsam. The Evil Queen. Dr. Facilier. Cruella de Vil. And Jafar. We saw Maleficent over at the other tree, but that's really cool. A black tree to have all the villains on. So there's the regular tree, and there's the other tree, the villains tree.
So the ones that are at that circle table are the ones you can use for the green tree. The ones that are at the other table that are in the squares are the ones you can use for the black tree. You cannot mix and match. That's what we just found out.
So if you want a Maleficent who's with the green tree, you couldn't put her on the black tree.
Correct.
Because she's not over there.
Correct.
And you can't buy the ornaments individually.
Correct.
All right.
Correct.
That's sad.
Yes.
And again, this is over here at Crystal Arts, but it's here at Disney Springs. And on to the next.